I honestly thought I'm done with Louis Vuitton. When this collection came out, I really wanted a piece of this. But something was wrong with it and I didn't really want it, and it took me a while to understand why. I feel so at peace here in the Hamptons. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is my actual birthday, yay! I mean, we had an amazing week in New York. If you haven't seen the vlogs yet, go and check them out. I don't know how many videos I actually filmed. It was madness. There was one shop was better than the next, basically. So many of you guys always tell me, Romina, you got the best stock of bags and the best like pre-loved shops in London. And yes, we have a great selection, but I honestly felt, guys, New York had way better stock. New York had such amazing finds. Like, I couldn't believe my eyes of, like, even my husband was like, oh my god, wow, that's an amazing bag, that's an amazing bag, and it's stuff I've never seen before. So honestly, I had the best time, such a blast, you know, discovering all the new shops. It's been a while. The last time we've been in New York was before the pandemic, so it's been a couple of years and I missed it because it's our tradition for my birthday at the end of September to come to New York, you know, spend a couple of days in the city, enjoy the city, and then come to the Hamptons, where we are right now. We just arrived actually in the Hamptons. Have some good seafood and just enjoy the beach, long walks at the beach. So that's my, you know, that's always like my birthday tradition. Like I said, I mean, watch all the vlogs, like watch the department store vlogs. FASHIONPHILE was incredible. The real bag, like honestly guys, I can't tell you what my favorite shop was because they were all amazing and the people were amazing, super lovely. So we had the best time, and for me it was such a tough decision to which bag to choose, to make a decision, because I could have like honestly taken everything home. I absolutely love the little Fendi Peekaboo. The little black Napa leather Fendi Peekaboo mini with the beautiful embroidery. I've seen that bag many months, maybe even years ago in Harrods, and I absolutely fell in love with it. So seeing it for a pretty decent price, I was tempted. Also, what I really loved was the Judith Leiber snake clutch, because I was already eyeing that bag like 4 years ago. Last time we were in New York, I saw they had a little Judith Leiber pop-up van in the middle of the street. That's the first time I saw this clutch and I absolutely fell in love with it. And you know, now to see that they had it in black and in green, which is very Slytherin, let's be honest, and I was tempted. You guys know how many like snake bags I have from Bvlgari, and yeah, so there was a lot that tempted me. I mean, I can't even tell you what other bags I shortlisted, but I've decided to go back to Fashionphile because no matter how much I love the other bags, this gave me butterflies, plus I actually feel it's practical. I honestly thought I'm done with Louis Vuitton. I didn't plan to add any more Louis Vuitton bags to my collection, except maybe for a mini capucine at some point. I'm still dreaming of the Gallet one with the python handle, you know. But they also come out with so many beautiful like special pieces, like my capucine in the PM size with the tortoiseshell handle and black box scarf. Like, it is a dream. Generally, I didn't want to add canvas to my collection again, but when I saw this, guys, okay, so when this collection came out, I really wanted a piece of this, and I was eyeing the Speedy 25. But something was wrong with it and I didn't really want it, and it took me a while to understand why, and I needed to see this bag to realize what was missing with the Speedy 25. This is a Fashionphile unboxing, and honestly the flagship boutique in Manhattan was wow. I mean, just walking past all the cages, and it was just incredible. Like, I couldn't believe my eyes how many amazing bags they had, and they only have a tiny amount of bags on display, and most of their bags, most of their stock is in the warehouse, in the cages, so you can look through all their catalogs and decide what you want to see, and they bring it out to you on like a little conveyor belt. Super cool. I really like that. It's a nice little characteristic. And so they got 17,000 bags in the Manhattan location, and You need your passport to get in there. I didn't make an appointment actually. Both times I walked into FASHIONPHILE, I didn't have an appointment. Maybe because it was under the week, like during weekdays, it was fine. I don't know how busy they would have been on a Saturday. They're closed on a Sunday. But yeah, I didn't book an appointment. However, you know, you can, if you book an appointment with them, you know for sure that somebody will be there to help you, to, you know, bring you out some bags. I would guess that if they have too many people there at the same time, they're not going to be able to, you know, show you a lot of bags that you want to see if you didn't book an appointment. You can probably still see and try on what's on display, but to be safe, you know, especially if you want to go on a weekend, I would say book an appointment with them. But yeah, let's get into this. So I didn't have an appointment, I was just walking in there, I looked at this bag, I then, you know, went on and I wanted to see everything that New York has to offer before I made a decision of what I bought, you know, from this trip. And guys, I have never in my life bought a luxury bag in New York. Yes, so this is very special to me and this is my birthday present to myself, and it's special and it's very, let me see, where's the front? Let me see, where's the front? Yeah, this is the front of the bag. Okay, are you guys ready? This is very special and this is very me. Oh, hello beauty. Okay guys, wow. Wow, 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 wow. So this is the Louis Vuitton Keepall 45 in the metallic gold garden collection. And look at this. This is the back of the bag. This is the front. You got the little luggage tag, and this bag is entirely new. So it was listed as new, not excellent, not very good, not good. It's a new bag. Nobody has ever used this before, and that was a big selling point to me because I wanted one that's in pristine condition. You know, I mean, this is a travel bag. This is, I mean, you guys know I'm using my, let me show you, my Neverfull in here. I've used and abused my Neverfull over the years, and it's such a good travel bag, let's be honest. Ugh. This is my Neverfull World Tour. Love this bag. I took it to Dubai. I had it in the Dubai desert with me every holiday basically that we went on, and now New York and just everything. I've had this bag with me, and Louis Vuitton, you know, I think that's why I was okay with getting another Louis Vuitton bag, because Louis Vuitton is a travel brand in the end. They're famous for their travel bags, and that's why I was like, okay, you know what, yes, I want a Louis Vuitton bag for traveling, and we gotta have a lot of other trips ahead of us now that traveling is, you know, possible again and easy. And so I really wanted to have a really nice piece to remember New York by. I mean, it's canvas, you know, Louis Vuitton canvas is indestructible. I hope that the metallic finish will wear well. The leather is treated, as you can see. So luckily no patina, nothing. I don't have to worry about rain. Obviously my Neverfull got, you know, drenched in rain over the past couple of days. Hey ho, you know, it is what it is. I think the patina is strong enough that it can actually get some water stains and it shouldn't be too visible. So yeah guys, this is my first ever Keepall and I'm super happy. By the way, I have zero lights here with me, so I'm just filming with natural daylight. I hope it's okay guys, and I hope you can see something. And yeah, so the bag, like I said, is new. It comes with this little luggage tag. Obviously you can have your initials stamped on here. And then let's open this baby up. Oh, by the way, you're gonna laugh. I'm a nerd. I've always said that. I'm a nerd, I'm a geek, whatever you want to call it. I got the little, we went to Nintendo, to the Pokemon Center in New York, and I needed to get the little Pikachu Pokemon New York exclusive. It's basically the Statue of Liberty. It's a Pikachu. Super cute. It's got shoes on. So I got this as well. This is my New York haul. Let's put him here. Wonderful. Okay, so let's look into this, guys. This is the Keepall, and it's got a beautiful microfiber. No, you know what? I don't even think this is microfiber. I think this is suede. This feels so luxurious. If anyone has any info on this, let me know. I would have guessed that this is microfiber, but I had Louis Vuitton microfiber bags and they felt different. This feels like suede. So you got one big hole here and one zipper compartment here at the back. It comes with the lock, the keys, and it's beautiful gold shiny lock. It comes with this. I haven't really figured out yet what this is. I guess you can put this around the handles. Not sure. And it comes with the long shoulder strap so that you can easily carry it when you go travel. Yeah. What do you think? And so what I wanted to tell you, what I actually didn't like about the original Speedy, is that you only had the canvas, right? So you didn't have these beautiful tan gold brown leather straps running through, and I think that's what gives it that very special extra. This golden canvas with the flowers mixed with this beautiful treated tan gold brown leather. So yeah guys, okay, let me show you how it looks like on. And I can't wait to go to the beach and show you the beach now as well. So this is our little apartment. It's super cute. It's right at the beach front, and there's my old travel buddy, my travel companion, my little Pikachu. Like, look at her. Look at her. How gorgeous is she? And okay, let's go. So guys, this is our little apartment. It's a mess right now, by the way. Let me actually show you the bathroom because it's pretty cool. Look at these lights. Hi. Am I overdressed for the Hamptons? Ooh, okay, wait. So this is our little bathroom. Super cool, super cool. And then we got this, so don't mind the mess, we just arrived. We got a little kitchen corner right here. It's very 70s, I like it. And there is the beachfront, we can see the sea already, super cool. And hi guys, I got this mirror right here. This is the back of the bag. This is the front. And I don't know, like I said, I love the gold canvas mixed with the brown leather bits. That's super, super nice. So yeah, this is it guys. This is my baby, my new baby. I'm super chill today because it is my birthday and I just want to enjoy the day. And yeah, let me show you. This is our little balcony right here. I don't think we see the sun because of the storm, but I'm gonna enjoy the beach and walks at the beach in the rain as well. Nothing is gonna stop me. There is the sea, guys. Okay, I take you with me. So guys, this is the bag with the strap. It's gonna be super practical once this is actually packed full and you're at an airport, and you know, I think I will definitely use this strap. So it's really nicely done. It's adjustable, so you can, you know, adjust it to your height. And by the way, big shout out to Lisa from Luxury and Life in the Middle, because I contacted her just before I came to New York to ask her, because I've watched her video on FASHIONPHILE when she visited FASHIONPHILE, and asked her, you know, about do I need an appointment, do I not need an appointment. So thank you so much, and just, you know, go check out her channel. I'm gonna link it in the description box below. And yeah, so that was really, really helpful. And by the way, for anyone who's wondering as well, we're staying currently in the Seacrest Hotel, close to East Hampton, Amagansett, and I love it. So yeah, okay guys. Yeah guys, that is it for today. I'm super happy that we're here now at our last stop. I'm just gonna enjoy my birthday, have a little lobster roll later and some other seafood, and yeah. Isn't she beautiful? So guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do, clearly. Right? I mean, look at this. And yeah guys, I see you again very, very soon. Bye! Oh, and of course, let me show you the beach. You know what? I don't know why, I feel so at peace here in the Hamptons. Maybe because, you know, I'm conditioned to being here on my birthday, and I just love it and gives me peace to be here with my husband and enjoy the time. But I don't know, it's just such a beautiful spot on earth. And after the season is over, when it's totally empty here, you know, and there's nobody, and you got the entire beach to yourself, and you can walk for kilometers without seeing a single soul, that's what fulfills my soul, to be honest. So yeah, I absolutely love it. Okay guys, that's it I think. Thanks for always supporting me, and yeah, see you again soon. Bye. Yeah, and one last look at her, guys. Bye.